Hello, welcome to Now Tutorial TV, Gst101 Section 2. I want to show you how you can attempt your TMA and exam questions. First of all, go down there, click on the subscription button so you will be the first to view our video anytime we upload. So let's go. Note making. The question here says, note making will be useful while engaged in one of these activities, reading a news article. That's the answer. A writer will usually tell stories in one of these type of texts. Narrative is a narrative. Texts are stories are usually discussed in narrative. Let's go to the next. One of these reading speed types is adequate when reading novels. When reading novels, the speed type is average. The capitalized element in the word submarine is an example of prefix. SUB, there is prefix. Meanwhile, suffix is the three-letter or suffix is at the end while prefix is at the beginning. So one of the following options is similar in meaning to the capitalized word. Similar in meaning to the capitalized word here. Capitalized word is minimum. We have least. Minimum and least are similar. Okay, the chief accountant reported that 30 million naira was available for capital expenditure. That's the answer. Expenditure. The following items SB, VRE, B/C, VIZ are example of abbreviations. There are abbreviations in Gst101, so take note of it. You might come across them in TMA or exams. Take note of them, write them. One of these speed types is called the study speed. Slowest. You use slowest study. If you want to study, don't use high or fastest. Slowest. The doctor said the lady should be given dash injection to relieve the pain. Anesthetic. Anesthetic relieves pain. Okay. The other question said one of the following should be the last option for a language learner. When she is trying to know the meaning of a word, the answer is dictionary. The other one said which of these aspects of a text will most likely sustain a reader's interest? Okay. The answer here is suspense. The expression to get to motion, what they're trying to say is direction. Answer is direction. They're just trying to show somebody direction of a place. That's what they are saying there. We don't have time. One of these terms refers to the process of reading at the fastest speed to get the general idea from a text. Fastest speed is called skimming. Skimming. One of the following terms refer to the core parts of a word. The root. Answer is root. Core part of a word is root. Following passage. Boil the water for 5 minutes, then add 15 dry bitter leaf to the boiling water. Don't cover the pot. Continue to boil for about 10 minutes until half of the water have evaporated. Is an example of a dash text. Expository. Expose the water. Expository. One of the following options is similar in meaning to the capitalized word. Loquacious. Loquacious, similar in meaning to talkative. Talkative. Okay. Another question said, listening activities can be divided into two major parts, namely listening in general listening in general, social setting, and listening for specific purpose. Listening in general, social setting, and listening is for specific purpose. That's the answer. Listening to gather information is listening for dash purpose. Listening to gather information and listening for specific purpose. Listening to gather information for direction. Listening to academic lecture, listening to the process involved in doing something, or listening to is critically evaluated what a speaker is saying is for specific purpose. Same thing, I'm still listening for specific purpose. So this one is just a continuation. So this is how they set questions. You see, it's the same thing but different options. So here is specific, here is specific purpose. So that is how they set TME questions. So take note. Your concern in this study is listening in English as the answer. Indeed, dash is a medium of instruction. English. English is a medium of instruction. Indeed, English is a medium of dash. See, these are the set questions again. So here you see instruction. The same thing, the same sentence, but plenty options from just one sentence. So the answer is instruction. The following are requirements for active listening. Active listening. We have functioning ears, concentration, ability to think along with the speaker, ability to anticipate what the speaker is about to say, ability to note important signposts that keep the listening activity going. Anybody with a functioning ear can listen. True or false? True. Another question. Anybody with a functioning dash can listen. You see, ear now came. Now the answer is ear. Anybody with a functioning ear can dash. See, the answer is listen. Effective listening is difficult in the midst of the answer is interruption. Interruption. Effective listening is difficult in the midst of dash interruption. So this question said dash is an important component of effective listening. The answer is concentration. This from here down is a different question. Interruption is the answer to effective listening. Then dash is an important component of effective listening. The answer is concentration. The deaf listen by means of dash from sign language. The deaf listening by signals from sign language. Signal from sign language. So the deaf listen by means of signal from sign language. The same thing. The third listening enabling skill is dash ability to think along with the speaker and anticipate what the speaker is about to say. That's the answer. The deaf listening by means of signal from the sign language. True or false? Answer is true. Say here, question here say, of course, if you have listening defects, listening ability will be difficult. That's the answer. Indeed, ability to dash can assist you in good listening. Okay, ability to anticipate, okay, can assist you. So the answer is anticipate. The fourth listening enabling skill is what?